In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI in Slack. Setup Guide. We'll cover installation, your first chat, and smart ways to use it in channels, threads, and teams. First, add Claude to your Slack workspace. Open Slack, go to the Apps section, search for Claude, and click Add to Slack. You'll be asked to approve permissions, review, and confirm so the bot can reply in your workspace. If you don't see the option to add it, your organization may require an admin to enable Claude first. Once it's added, Claude appears as an app and bot in Slack. Next, open a direct message with Claude. Click the Claude app, start a new DM, and send your first prompt. For example, type, summarize today's important messages from #marketing. Claude should reply right away. You can also use Claude inside channels and threads by mentioning it. Type @Claude followed by your request, then send. For example, @Claude summarize this thread in 5 bullet points. Claude replies in the same thread to keep the channel tidy. One of Claude's strongest features is summarizing conversations. Try @Claude summarize the last 50 messages in this channel. Ask what decisions were made in this thread, or extract action items from the discussion. This is perfect for catching up after a busy day or when working asynchronously. Claude is excellent for writing and editing. Ask it to draft a professional reply to a message, rewrite text to sound more friendly, or write a concise Slack announcement about a new feature. Add context and the tone you want for best results. For planning and analysis, request a step-by-step plan for a launch, a pros and cons breakdown from a discussion, or a clean task list distilled from a long chat. If enabled, Claude can assist developers directly in Slack. Ask it to review code for potential bugs, explain an error message in simple terms, or refactor a function for readability. Always review and test any AI-suggested code before using it. To avoid noise, work inside threads. Start Claude in a thread and keep the conversation there to preserve context and reduce channel clutter. Finally, set clear boundaries. Don't share sensitive data, treat Claude as an assistant rather than a decision maker, verify outputs, especially legal, financial, or code related, and keep humans in the loop for final approvals. That's it. You're ready to use Claude in Slack. Have fun exploring what it can do for your team.